Hey there, I'm LiWen, and today we're doing the three-step turn. That's what the three-step turn looks like. If you've never done a three-step turn before, you've probably seen it because I just did it for you. Why is the three-step turn important? Well, it's cool to spin. Once you know the three-step turn, you can then build on it and do a 5-step, a 7-step turn, and those are your traveling turns in Latin dancing. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 5-step turn. Let's get started. First up, let's learn the footwork. You'll do a mirror image to me, standing with your weight on your right foot. You will step to the side on your left, and you do a half a turn on your left foot, and step side on your right, half a turn on your right foot, and step to the side on your left. Now, for your arms, if you're asking what do I do with your arms? Not yet, not yet. Keep them down and just weight it for now. And keep your shoulders stacked over your hips. So we'll do that again. Weight is on your right, step to the side on your left, half a turn, side on your right, half a turn, side on your left. And that's your 3-step turn. 3 steps to make 1 turn. Actually, your turn happens over the first 2 steps, and you just take a side step to finish. So we'll see that again. So nice and easy. Pull your belly in, and side on your left, side on your right, side on your left. Let's do that a couple more times. And side on the left, right, left. Set your weight back onto your right foot. We'll go again. Left, right, left. You're probably starting to turn now. And that's your 3-step turn. Now, question for you. Are you keeping your weight in the balls of your feet while you're turning? Meaning, are you letting your heels lower down onto the floor? And if you are letting your heels drop down, you want to actually be dancing your 3-step turn on the balls of your feet the whole time, okay? So, going to your left, you go ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, and then you drop the heel down because that's the finished end of your spin. And back again onto your right foot. Stay on the balls of the feet now. Left ball of the foot, right ball of the foot, and finish. Nicely done, even though I can't see you, but I think your spin must be pretty good. Dancer or not, everyone in the world has heard of spotting. I'm going to show you later on this one trick that can really help with the spotting, especially if you're a woman. Back to the lesson. Let's practice that a couple more times. And weight is on your right foot. Arms are down, shoulders are down, posture is tall. Let's go. And side, side, side. Reset back onto your right and side, side, side. And again, back onto your right, side, side, side. Let's take it away with some counts. It goes like this. And weight is on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 8 counts for 1 spin. Can you do it? I sure hope so. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you find that your balance is a little off and you're leaning back as you're spinning, then you want to contract your stomach in and hold your posture tall, okay? That will help you with your balance and keeping your weight on the balls of your feet. So let's try it again with counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, layering on, you're gonna keep your eyes on me as you do this exercise. All right? So 1, 2, keep your eyes on me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shift back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, earlier I said that I'm going to share with you a secret of spotting, especially if you're a follower. This long hair is going to whip around and smack you in the face when you're spotting, and it's going to cause some involuntary reactions to being smacked in the face by your hair. So a very important thing that will help with your spotting is just to put this freaking hair up a little like this. Ta-da! Hair out of the face. Now you are ready to try the exercise again. Keeping your eyes on me and keeping your head still. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this to music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it for me. 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. If you want to learn other ways to do the 3-step turn and different drills that you can use to improve your strength, your balance, how to use your arms, spotting, and just how to really nail a good 3-step turn, then check out my course because it's really going to set you up so well to be able to spin. And not only 3-step turns we're going to do in that course, we're also going to do some other spins. So you got to check it out to see what's in store for you. Introduction to Spins course. And now it's time for the 5-step turn. If you're still working on your balance for the 3-step turn, then just keep doing that. But if you're ready for a challenge, let's learn the footwork for the 5-step turn. Again, let's start with your weight on the right foot. And we'll do 5 steps. So first step on the left, do a mirror image to me. And half a turn, step to the side with your right. Half a turn, step to the side with your left. Half a turn, step to the side with your right. And another half a turn, step to the side with your left. And there you go, 5-step turn. You took 5 steps and you made 2 revolutions. Yes. Let's see that all uno mas. And weights on your right foot, 5 steps. Left, right, left, right, left. Very nice. And of course, when you're spinning, you want to take really big steps to be able to travel a lot, right? Absolutely not. You want to take small steps and keep the size of your steps pretty much just shoulder width or less. All right, so that you can keep your balance right underneath yourself and not be throwing your weight around. So let's try that 5-step turn again. And we go side, 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 side. Now let's do that with counts, just like we did for the 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make them equal. So, ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that again. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll see that from the back. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, weights on your left. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have it, 5-step turn. And of course, once you get the footwork, you can start to increase the speed and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And start to throw your arms in and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe do some creative arms like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And work your spot, work more balance in your legs, and all of that good stuff. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity, and I hope you have fun spinning, spotting, balancing with me today. If you enjoyed this video and you love dancing, you love all the tutorials that we put out, then support us. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and give us a thumbs up so we know that it's content that you enjoy and would like to see more of. Thank you so much. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Cheers.